we're really proud of having an actual brewery. A lot of craft breweries now contract brew and they make great beer, but for us having a physical place is so important. And to be here in Matakana has ended up being amazing for us.
Wellington did catch on to the craft beer scene really early. Here we were slightly later adapters, but there's been, in the last 2 years, there's just been a complete swing and, Auckland's becoming the craft beer capital in New Zealand. There's just really, really good quality beer coming out of this region, so it's great to see a resurgence up here.
I'm a real foodie. I love my food, love my beer. You could actually use a bit of that to cook.
That makes an amazing chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake?
Chocolate
well, I wasn't
cake.
expecting that.
We don't really talk about craft beer here. We think that, from our point of view, we just make really good beer. We make it properly.
That's so Kiwi, We just make really good beer. Come and have a beer. The thing that amazes me and the thing that I want to share with New Zealanders is we have this in Auckland. Come up here. This, you can have wine, you can have craft beer, great food.
Yeah.
People sometimes don't know us for that.
You're right. It's 45 minutes from the bridge, to come up, go to the beach, go for a surf, come here, go and visit some wineries. There's something for everyone.
If you had have told me this morning that you can make a chocolate cake out of this, I would have laughed at you. But this is no laughing matter. Be a chocolate cake. Where else but Auckland?